Mercy Social Center, a subsidiary of Directaid Society Ghana, has donated uniforms, stationery, among other teachings and learning materials to Mercy Islamic Primary, Junior High School, and Senior High School, as well as the newly established Al-Rahma School Complex within the Denton municipality. The donation is aimed at enhancing teaching and learning in these schools. Speaking at the ceremony, Mr. Ali Abdulsalam Ali, Director of Mercy Social Center, reiterated their commitment to supporting education.
Directaid is a non-profitable organization which is working as a partner with the government on education sector. So when we are talking of our private Al-Rahma Complex school, in another way we are partner with the government. We reduced 100 students from Mercy Primary School and Mercy GH School. It means we are now giving another chance to another students which are coming from outside to join Mercy Islamic School. We are here today to distribute some items to the schools. Still, when we are saying we are opening our own schools, it doesn't mean we ignore the school we have as a partner with the Islamic Unit, Ghana Education Service, and Directaid. So that's why today we are here to distribute 500 uniforms. 500 uniforms. Among that 500, 150 uniforms is going to Mercy Primary School, and 150 going to Mercy Junior High School, 100 is going to Secondary High School. We took only 50 for primary and 50 for GHS.
A career teacher, Madam Epiphany, expressed her appreciation to Directaid for their continued support to education.
It will go a long way to help us, especially our sewing practicals, our woodwork practicals. Yes, it will go a long way. And the textbooks, they will all go a very long way to improve our academic excellence. We are so grateful, and we pray that the Lord will replenish everything that they have used on us and the children.
Dignitaries present urge the general public not to rely solely on Directaid initiatives, but rather individuals capable of supporting education should also lend a hand.
Muna masu duka godiya kayan da aka kawo ga Allah ubangiji ya sa albarka. Allah ya sa yaran mu su ji amfanin kayan da aka kawo. Kuma dun karatun da malamai da ababen da za su gwada malam yaran muna rokan Allah ya sa su yiya kuma ya sa muna albarka. Kuma muna godewa sosai sosai.
Allah ya musu albarka, Allah ya saka musu da alheri. Inda suka cire Allah ya koma musu da ciki. Allah ya sa albarka. Mun gode kwarai.
Bingan da kuka yi ya so ne mu ne don Allah ya sa albarka. Allah ya sa ku fi haka nan. Allah ya sa su ci amfani kun da suke zuwa.
This donation is expected to greatly improve the learning experience for students in these schools. Directaid Society Ghana continues to make a positive impact on education in Ghana.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.